Excuse me? Bleep. God damn it.
Stop it. Stop it. Don't fucking say a word.
Right.
Every night I hear you.
Alright, so right now I'm currently going to house or FANTOMLORE. I shot a music video for him. Y'all probably saw that, the daydream music video. I don't really know what we're getting into today, but we'll probably wind up doing some dumb shit, so. Gee, they got a C8 right there. That C8 don't want no smoke, literally, because my shit would blow the f up.
100 Foss a day, keep the doctor away.
You heard the man, but we gonna give him a little rip.
She tryna walk in her birthday suit.
Hey mama.
Hey.
Hey, I just sharded a pretzel.
You what?
I sharded a pretzel.
What the hell's that?
No, I sharded a pretzel.
What the hell's a sharded?
Alright, so me and Phantom wind up doing nothing, but today, me and Colin are gonna go on like another POV drive, because my #1 requested thing all the time is do more point of view drives and spice it up a bit by buying some Nerf guns. I saw on TikTok people like shooting people's windows, and I thought that shit was pretty funny. As far as my website, Shop Webbies, we like partnered up with ARM. We have a bunch of performance parts on the website now. I'll pop up all this stuff on the screen, make sure to check that out. We also linked up with this guy who makes a bunch of different like colored seat belts and suede interior trim. So make sure you guys check out the website for all the new stuff. I am partnering up with Burger Motorsport like really soon, and possibly a rim company, so stay on the lookout for all that stuff. All right, so here's our options here for the Nerf guns, but we were looking, they don't even sell like sticky darts anymore. We might just have to get a big fellow of these. As you guys know, with our cheese video, we missed a shit ton, so don't trust us. So I think we're just gonna go ahead and get these, and then probably like this, and then just shoot people's windows. Kind of bummed out that they didn't have sticky darts though, because I was really wanting to stick on people's window. Then we have this board right here. Alright, so we have 3 attempts with the suction darts, but yeah, we'll see you in the car. Alright, here we go. 50 rounds right here. In the blick. Hopefully we don't get shot with a real gun here. That would be not ideal. I think I'm just gonna drive around town 100 times, because fortunately we don't have anywhere like cool to drive at all. Just gonna go up and down the roads 10 million times. There's a gun right there for you. Alright, load it up. Let me get it. Oh, I completely missed. I'm gonna snipe him. Oh, it's stuck. I didn't even notice. Give the little SS a gap. Oh, he definitely wants it. I want the SS smoke. You don't want no gun smoke. Should we do a little drive-by action here? Wow! Wow! Oh, I got him! Oh, the SS is dipping off. V8 boys. So we're up to like 2 kills right now. I think we beat a Camaro. I don't really know what the that was, but we're trying. We're out here trying. I will race a Honda Civic. You ready? I'm gonna find a Honda Civic. What in the dick is happening? What is going on? True now. Did she blow? Didn't even look. We're racing this Honda right here. I don't care if he wants to smoke or not. Hey! Told you I was gonna race a Honda. Dude, they were fried in there. That thing was steamed up. Hold it. Let me see it. She
saw the green thing.
She just didn't care. Bye, have a nice day. Have a nice evening. He was gone. He was not in the freaking right planet. Deer back here, to be honest with you. That'd be a sick ass title then. We should go put someone's car for sale and just see what they say. What's poppin'? Hello? He can't say nothing. Alright, random page events, we're gonna go put someone's car for sale. We're gonna put his for sale right here. Here's our beautiful sign. Y'all should call this number. Don't know who it is. He ain't do it, he ain't do it.
He just got out of his car and was just looking at me.
Oh, it must have fell. It definitely fell.
To a different car, because I just put it on there and it fell off.
What the hell? Oh my god. Alright, so here we go. We just scratched it off. Put Lexus Coupe, fake number. Colin's gonna walk into the store and then drop it off. No way. He did it. It is. It is her. No way. She didn't even notice. No way, she just dips and just doesn't notice. She's got to see it. There she goes, there she goes, there she goes. She took it off. She just brought it in her car. I don't really know what I'm expecting them to do, but that's pretty funny. Dude, watch her like call the cops. Dude, she's just dipping. I guess I didn't really know what to expect.
She was smiling at me.
Did she think it was you?
Probably.
You really bought a Powerade?
Yeah, M&M's.
That's so funny. She literally just walked away and smiled at Colin, so I wonder if she thought it was Colin. Alright, let me know if you guys want to see that as a full video. I think it would be pretty funny if we like actually, if I put on like a mic and walked up to him and be like, oh, you selling it? And like act like they were selling it. I seen Ross Creations do it. That's where I got the idea from. So.
Is there already something in here?
Dude, Black Green's the last people I would shoot with a Nerf gun.
Should I do it right now?
Do not, because I will have no mirrors on my car left. Is that what happens? That raggedy ass Jetta. He felt like he was doing some shit. Dude, he literally got swiped like 300 times if you look. Hey, what's up? I was like, he's not going. Look, you ready to do a flyby? Phew! This boy reckless. That Jetta was so destroyed. Shout out to Mans if he ever finds this video. We keep catching lights like when they're just turning green. Like that right there. Go, 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 go. Just start spraying down. No, it's green. Wait, that thing went nowhere. Oh, we got another red light. My favorite color at the moment. Give me another one, give me another one. Yeah, they're looking. Oh, there's a cop. Oh, I'm done shooting. There's a cop right behind us. Alright, we're not doing nothing dumb. We got a cop. Shoot the cop. Hell no, we ain't shooting no cop. Yo, I should ask if I could shoot the cop car with a Nerf gun. Should I really ask?
I don't think so.
Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? The light turned green. No, I was really gonna ask too. Dude, I swear to God, across my heart, I was gonna ask. I had the words ready to go. I was gonna be like, excuse me, this is a really weird question, but is there any way I can fire this Nerf dart at you? Because I'm not gonna say shoot, it should say shoot! What do you mean shoot? I go like this, bitch. Oh, give me no one, give me no one, give me no one. Oh, I missed. Have a great day. Oh, I did not mean to flash right there. I threw a flashbang before I came up and shoot him. That's kind of respectable. Right here. Damn it! I just shot my own car. Yep. Man, I got homework tonight. I'm probably never gonna do it. This is what I'm saying. Like, I get flamed for not racing cars. I've driven up and down this road 300 times and I've had, what, 2 races? And it's both been Jettas. I have to make a U-turn. I'm not trying to turn onto a military base right now because we are strapped up. All right, I'm gonna do it on a run. Bleep, 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 bleep. Stick. Did I hit him?
Oh, he wanted to race.
Hold up, brother. I was not trying to race. I was trying to shoot. What was that, man? He just looked at me. Hey, big guy. You won't get busy? Oh, is that a cop? If I'm going to jail for racing, it better not be to that. I keep shooting my own damn car. Give me that one. Big. Oh, I definitely hit him. Oh my God, dude, every time. Oh, dude, that's... All right, so everyone in the comments, yes, I had this atrocious red dot on my head right now. I had a pimple and then I wear the GoPro thing, so it's just 20 times worse. So we're just not gonna talk about it. But I got more for sale signs, so we might throw it on another car. So I put my real number and then Toyota sedan. My handwriting sucks too, just right. Damn, your handwriting does suck. All right, we got 10-piece nugget for sale. There he goes. That's so perfect. He's just walking straight back. Dude, where are they? That he's on the move. Unlike our people inside of Harris State, we could have picked anybody, but of course we picked the slowest people. I said we'll give you a 10-piece McNugget. They took the sign in the car, and I think they said they're gonna call me. I put my real number on there. There's a homeless guy over there. Should we ask him? Hey, quick question. Can I shoot you? He ain't homeless. He just looks like, I feel like that might be worse. Have a good one. All right, I might take it like really chill right now, just because, you know, it's really wet and really late. No, I shot my own car again! There's the new whip. I just bought it actually, it's mine tomorrow. It's like I would never get yellow. But, sheesh! I buy a car for the beat. I poppity boop it up beat. Blick! Sheesh! I'll do a burnout to end this video out. Again, it's probably gonna be a little bitch burnout. This whole video, you all are gonna probably make fun of me for being a bitch. Jesus. And it also shifts on its own, so I can't really do nothing about that. Yeah, there's the man he's gotta shoot. Go ahead. Hey! Neighborhood's right here, so that was a bad idea. Really bad idea. All right, so hopefully you guys found this video entertaining. Like I said, let me know if y'all want to see more like the for sale sign things. I think it's gonna be pretty funny. We tried to get people with the Nerf gun, but it was like kind of late when we went out. But I really wasn't trying to do this in the day. Check out Shop Webbies. I got a bunch of performance stuff on there now. Hopefully you get wheels and all that stuff soon. I think we're gonna go to Walmart and shoot people with the Nerf gun and act like we didn't shoot them. But that's gonna be on his channel, so check out his channel too. So follow me on social media. Let's get 3K by the end of the month. Get you on the flip.
Is that a BMW?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you were. 100%. I just saw your ass.
Where?
You need to stop. Hold on. You need to stop spinning your stupid ass tires, running up and down the street at 11 o'clock at night. You scared the shit out of my 2-year-old daughter. She wakes up crying her fucking eyes out. Stop it. Stop it. Don't fucking say a word.
All right.
Every night I hear you. Every single night.
All right, you got it.
Cool.
Sorry about that.
Happens again, I have no problem calling the cops.
That's fine by me. That's cool with me. But I'm saying I came from Hollywood, but that's fine.
Yeah, you didn't. Because I saw you drive right down the street, right here. You spun it at the beginning of right there. I fucking heard it when I got out of my goddamn truck.
All right, that's fine. All right, sorry about that.
One more time.
That's cool.
911 will be here in 5 minutes.
That's cool with me.
Do you know how many times you've had complaints? You don't, because you don't fucking pay attention.
That's fine with me. Sorry about that, sir. Dude, he was like ready to swing too. He was hated. The worst part is we're literally
right here.
We're at my house, so he knows where we live. And I said, I tried lying, but he knew. He said, is that a BMW? Sir, this is odd.